Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 17th of January 2025, our system has classified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.49. Now, let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time. The ETF has experienced a gain of 2.09%. This equates to an average return of 0.52% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak rising trend in the short term, and indications suggest a possible continuation of this upward movement. An analysis of the 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 5.37% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from about 0.472% to 8.68%. Regarding the 12-month trend, projections suggest a change of around 22.16% over the next year, with potential returns between 10.20% and 25.62%. This equates to a price range between $586.95 and $669.09 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price up approximately 0.213% on Thursday. The QQQ ETF price gained approximately 0.213% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025. It rose from $531.51 to $532.64. This marks 4 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if it continues this upward trend or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.81%, moving from a low of $528.45 to a high of $532.75. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by approximately 3.39% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 10 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares traded, amounting to around $11.86 billion. It is essential to consider that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $539.15, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price is 1.21%, or $6.51, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Tech momentum is increasing as companies prepare for their fourth quarter earnings, which could influence market trends this year. The Nasdaq 100, represented by the QQQ exchange-traded fund, is particularly well-positioned to benefit from this trend, especially with high expectations surrounding major technology companies. As earnings season progresses, positive reports could enhance investor confidence and drive QQQ prices upward in the short term. Analysts emphasize the significance of these earnings results. A robust performance could alleviate concerns stemming from a slight pullback in the S&P 500, while the growth-oriented Nasdaq may face some volatility. With Treasury yields rising and recent discussions regarding interest rate management, the market is seeking clarity. QQQ may be increasingly attractive to investors focused on growth, as it includes many of the most innovative and high-potential technology stocks. In the broader context, conversations about other exchange-traded funds such as SCHG and VGT indicate that while alternatives are available, QQQ continues to be a focal point for those in search of substantial upside potential. In the long term, as earnings growth persists, QQQ could experience sustained upward momentum driven by a vigorous recovery in the technology sector. Overall, the results of the upcoming earnings reports will be crucial in shaping QQQ's path through 2025. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the ETF. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at $520.79 and $520.88. If the price breaks below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and since then, the ETF has appreciated by 5.46%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some intriguing signals you might consider. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 93 days ago. For additional signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $521.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the fund moved $4.30 between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 0.81%. During the previous week, the average daily volatility of the fund was 1.23%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest subdued expectations for the company's future or indicate that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, which could represent a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $535.80. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $521.74. If this support level holds, it could be an advantageous entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $513.08, reflecting a decrease of 3.67%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily movements, contributing to a minimal risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 6 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 24th of January, we expect the QQQ to open down by $1.36, starting at $531.28. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.